Today I'm going to show you how to use one of Google's newest apps called Google Jamboard. So first you're going to go inside of Google Chrome to jamboard.google.com. You can also click on the Google grid in the top right corner and you can scroll down to Jamboard. Okay, it says here I don't have any jams yet, so I'm going to click the plus sign just like all Google apps, and I'm going to create a new jam. And a jam I like to think of as kind of a bulletin board, a collaborative bulletin board. So I'm going to show you how to use all the different features, but first you want to name your jam. So I'm going to call this Distance Learning Share Fair Preview because I'm going to create a preview of our Share Fair on Friday. I can change the background, so I don't have a lot of options here, but this is great. If I'm a math teacher, I can include a graph. I'm going to go with, the white background for now. My favorite feature is the sticky note feature. So here I can add sticky notes, I can collaborate with others. This would be a great way to brainstorm ideas, either with students or with maybe your CT. Here I'm previewing the people who are going to be sharing at the Share Fair. So here's my first sticky note, and then I can make the sticky note bigger. I can duplicate it, so I could use this to add all the other people who will be sharing, and I can just go in and edit and change the names and the topic that they'll be sharing. Some other things I can do, I can write with a pen, and if I click this right arrow, it gives me different colors. I think this is great for any subject, but I think it would be great for math because students could write out problems and solve them. You could have students plot points on graphs. If I wanted to erase, I would just click the eraser tool and I would just erase what I want to erase. If I click clear frame, it's going to delete everything on my frame. This is the selection tool, so if I want to select something and make it bigger, I can do that. And then I can add an image, either search, upload, and so on. And this is great if I'm using this in a synchronous session. I can use a laser tool to point out different things that I want to highlight. Okay, some other things to note is you can add new frames. So let's say you wanted different classes to do different activities, but you wanted them to see each other's. You could create different frames and call, you could have each class period working in a different frame. So that is another option. And then just like with any Google application, you can share it and you can invite others to collaborate, or you can get a view-only link to share. And then finally, if I click these three vertical dots, I can rename it. I can download it as a PDF, which would be great. If it does capture student thinking, I could put that PDF on Google Classroom as a review. I can save it as an image and also put that on Google Classroom or Blackboard. I can remove it and I can make a copy. So that is a quick preview of Google Jamboard.